Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. Right now you are seeing in my hand is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. It's the latest version of Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. You can see the color, you can see the display and also the camera size. It has 4 camera and one mountain fingerprint here. You can see. And you can see the headphone jack is in the bottom and type C USB cable, and here the volume and the power button. Okay, let's show you how's the camera. First I'm going to unlock the camera phone. Okay, now I am opening the camera. It's for 118 version. You can see the picture. I am now clicking some photos. And now I am going to show you the zoom factor zoom. So I just turn on the video, and now you are seeing Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 video. I'm going to zoom in. It has 10 multiple zoom, so it's the highest zoom capacity. You can see the quality. You can see the capacity and the quality and also the color, the texture. This is the video of Xiaomi Redmi 9. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please, if you have any comment, have any suggestion or have any question, please ask below. I am here to answer you. So thanks friends, thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?